Here's how to enable install from unknown source on Samsung One UI 8.5. If you want to install third-party apps on your Samsung device, apps that aren't from the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, you'll need to enable Install Unknown Apps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that on Samsung One UI 8.5. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down again and tap on More Security Settings under the Additional Security section. Next, scroll down until you find Install Unknown Apps. Tap on it. Here you'll see a list of apps like Chrome, Galaxy Store, My Files, Samsung Cloud, or other apps you might use to download APK files. To allow installation, just tap on the app you want, like Chrome or My Files, and toggle on Allow from this source. That's it. Now you can install APK files or third-party apps on your Samsung device, running One UI 8.5. If you also want to learn how to install APK files step by step, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching.